Modern garden, timeless comfort, your green escape.
Luxury meets nature in perfect balance.
Every path leads you closer to serenity.
Simplicity is the beauty of modern design.
Welcome to a peaceful front yard, where modern design meets nature's calm. Minimal design, maximum beauty. Simple, clean, and refreshingly modern.
A cozy corner for morning tea and quiet moments.
A place where moments bloom. Every drop breathes life into your home.
When the sun sets, your garden starts to shine.
As the sun sets, the garden glows with calm.